Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? On October 18th, 1965, a company owned by Campbell's called Franco-American introduced the world's first spoonable spaghetti, known as SpaghettiOs. They were the new spaghetti that kids could eat with a spoon. The "Uh-oh SpaghettiOs" slogan was featured on the first SpaghettiOs TV commercial in 1965, along with the original slogan, "The best invention since the napkin." Then in 2004, SpaghettiOs rebranded from Franco-American SpaghettiOs to Campbell's SpaghettiOs, but the Franco-American name can still be found on the can near the copyright symbol. If you can't see it, it's right on top of the UPC code. So for the next 58 years, Campbell's business selling SpaghettiOs was booming. They were selling over 150 million cans a year. My motto is, if it's not broke, don't fix or try to change it. So in 2023, the 1 year you would have thought that these younger executives had learned their lesson about trying to get a new fan base on a product that's been successful for 58 years. The SpaghettiO analogy isn't even close to the clusterfuck that Anheuser-Busch made, but I think you, the people, get my point. And here's the subject of today's video. And I can only imagine a freshly graduated, freshly hired, snot-nosed new executive for the Campbell's Company sitting in stall number 4 of the public bathroom, taking their morning constitution and reading the newspaper, and then they see the Frank's Red Hot ad about putting Red Hot on everything, and they can't get their pants up fast enough to run upstairs and pitch it to the VP of Campbell's. And then, surprise, surprise, surprise! The VP agrees with the new executive, and they start producing SpaghettiOs with Frank's Red Hot sauce, which in my humble, honest opinion, is the dumbest thing I've ever heard of. And once in a while, an adult will drink or blaze too much one night and come home and eat a can of SpaghettiOs. But that's not the norm. The target audience for SpaghettiOs is children. And I'm sure there's a few, but honestly, how many kids do you think are going to sit down to a bowl of SpaghettiOs with hot sauce in it? Maybe Campbell's thinks their audience will grow to adults if they put hot sauce into SpaghettiOs. What's next? A kid in diapers doing a Marlboro commercial or a Miller Lite commercial? Okay, that's enough talking about something I have not even tried yet. The 15.8 ounce can of Campbell's Spicy Original SpaghettiOs made with Frank's Red Hot, which is pasta and tomato and cheese sauce flavored with Frank's Red Hot sauce and costs $1.24. Now, according to my previous conversation and these reviews, I was totally wrong. Out of 77 reviews, the SpaghettiOs with Frank's Red Hot got 4.4 stars out of 5. The most helpful positive review gave it 5 stars and said it was a great combo. The most helpful negative review gave it 2 stars and said it wasn't a great combo. So I'm going to try it myself, for you, the people, so you don't have to. The only difference in the ingredients in the original SpaghettiOs and the original SpaghettiOs with Frank's Red Hot is the Frank's Red Hot. Now I'm going to assume, even a kid, once you open up a can of SpaghettiOs, you're going to eat the whole thing. So for the whole can, there's 290 calories, 2.5 grams of total fat, 1 gram of saturated fat, no trans fat, 1 gram of polyunsaturated fat, a half a gram of monounsaturated fat, 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 1,010 milligrams of sodium, 59 grams of carbohydrates, 5 grams of fiber, 22 grams of sugars, and 9 grams of protein. Here's the SpaghettiOs with Frank's Red Hot right out of the can and into the bowl. So now it goes into the microwave on high for 3 minutes. Now here's our SpaghettiOs, or what we called them as kids, Pescettios, after microwaving on high for 3 minutes. Now the aroma smelled pretty much like regular SpaghettiOs, but there was a very subtle hint of Frank's Red Hot. So we got a big spoonful of the SpaghettiOs with Frank's Red Hot, and they look like normal SpaghettiOs. So into the old pie hole and down the gullet they went, and I was absolutely blown away. They tasted like SpaghettiOs. Not like SpaghettiOs with Frank's Red Hot in them, they just tasted like SpaghettiOs. After the second bite, I did get a slight vinegary peppery flavor, mainly in the back of my throat. Honestly, the SpaghettiOs with Frank's Red Hot wasn't bad at all. But if they're going to call it SpaghettiOs with Frank's Red Hot, they need to add a whole lot more of Frank's Red Hot. You guys know me, I can't handle spicy foods. But even I don't think Frank's Red Hot is spicy. So I'm going to stick with my original opinion of SpaghettiOs with Frank's Red Hot. It was just a bad idea and the product proved it. If you want to eat a can of SpaghettiOs and you want Frank's Red Hot in it, just get a bottle of Frank's Red Hot and sprinkle it in it. Which is why I'm giving SpaghettiOs with Frank's Red Hot a 2 out of 10. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.